Hello to my beautiful superstars. I just wanted to give you a quick intro and show you some tips and tricks on how to become successful in the online business. Now, as a total newbie, I can tell you for sure, I did not know what I was doing, especially not being a technical person. But I decided that I needed to learn more for myself if I ever wanted to get where I really wanted to be in life. Right now, I am in Las Vegas with my mentor, Wesley, $1 billion version.
Let's go!
And we're in this beautiful penthouse suite. But more importantly, we're not out partying or just having a great time. Yes, that's what we do, but we're working. And we work every single day to make insane amounts of money online. Now, I can't beg you to learn more, but if you do decide to learn more, I can promise you that your life will be everything that you picture it to be. Now, I'm going to give you for free 3 tricks that I did and that I had to learn in order to do what we do right now on the internet, which is make money. Step 1, I'm going to just flip my camera around right now so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But for this step, it's not necessary. Step 1 would be buying a domain. If you want to promote something online, you need to decide, number 1, what you're going to promote. I'll get into that. But once you start promoting, you need a good domain name. If you don't know what kind of domain to pick, or you pick one that is not Facebook friendly, they will ban you immediately. So your chances of making money online go from, 50% to 0% without a great domain name. Now, some things to avoid in choosing a domain. You don't want to make any claims, such as get rich now, make money now, make millions, manifest millions. You want to keep it very bland, not making any claims. So what I like to do is use something like positive mindset, power of positive thinking, subconsciousenergy.com. Anything that, doesn't really make a claim, but you could kind of give the people a feel about what you're going to be promoting and what they're going to be advertising. So, Facebook won't get mad at positivemindset.com because it's not a claim. So I learned that a lot of newbies that come into my program, which by the way is a free training program, come into my program, they do not know this. They actually start off right away and they're, bound to fail because they don't know that the domain name is so important when choosing one. And at godaddy.com, you pick your domain. I would like to register it for 2 years typically. You get a hosting plan, can't cost more than $30, and then you're well on your way. The second step is promoting a product on ClickBank. Now, how would you promote a product on ClickBank? Pretty easy. All you need to do is go to clickbank.com, and from there, you will see the gravity. If the gravity is high, you want to promote it. Why? That means other people like yourself are making sales. And that's important, right? If the gravity is high, people are making sales. That means that's what you want to be promoting because you want to make the money as well. So always look for high gravity offers. The one product that I love to promote that I'm doing super well with right now that is giving me the opportunity to have this lifestyle is called the Overnight Millionaire. Gravity is high. It's one of the 10 products right now that is killing it on the internet. And even better, I know all about that offer. I know what converts, and I can show you as well if you decide to learn more. Now, you do not need to learn more, but if you do decide to learn more, your future self will be thanking you greatly. Now, the last step is advertising on Facebook. Now, this is a whole beast in itself, and I can't give everything away in this short video because I am on a time schedule, but Facebook ads are ever changing. And if you do not know how to promote on Facebook, then you will never make $1 on the internet, right, Wesley? How long did it take you to make your first sale?
7 years.
7 years. That's crazy. And this is the internet god. Now, luckily for myself, Wesley taught me everything I needed to know, and it only took me 2 days to make my first sale. And I want to do the same thing for you as well. I want you to make your first sale right away. And if you listen to me and you decide to learn more, you can do it. It's super easy. But Facebook ads, you don't want to make any claims on that as well. Make sure that when you make your title and you add your description, you're not using any keywords that are making claims. Something like watch this for my free meditation. watch this for my free meditation tricks, or watch this now to learn how I am manifesting my dream life with my mind. Everything that's promoting to having a good life, but yet you're not using the words money, millions. Facebook does not like that, and it causes for ad accounts to get banned. And this is common with tons and tons of people. They're like, Ariella, I want to run ads, but I always get banned by Facebook. What can I do? Well, I got you guys covered. Listen, I am going to offer you right now a free training with me. Exactly. It will be me teaching this program to you for free. All you have to do is click the link below, click learn more, pick your time slot, join me, and watch my free training that I'm giving to you out of the kindness of my heart, because I want to see everyone succeed. I was a newbie just like yourself, and I did not know where to begin. Trust me. Just as you're looking at me right now and you're looking in my eyes, I'm telling you, I did not know anything when it came to marketing online. I was not a technical person. Right, Wesley?
Not at all. She's still not technical now.
It's true.
But she makes a ton of money. Listen to her.
Now, I'm not going to say this to impress you, but I want to impress this upon you, that I did not make $600,000 in 5 months by not knowing what I'm doing. And I am not a technical person, so don't worry. To everyone who's younger and doesn't know the internet, or even older people that don't know the internet, you do not need to worry, because I got you covered in this free training. All you need to do is take action. Now, your life won't change unless you decide to make a change. Remember, you guys, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. So take action, and finally, do what you know that needs to be done in order to live your dream life. Click that link below, join me in my free training, and I'll see you there. Goodbye.